1 minute to connect your smart shades to the app. Before starting, make sure your phone is on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and your HomePod is connected in the app. Switch on the shades. Press and hold the P button for 5 seconds until the motor jogs twice. Open the Home app. Tap Add or Scan Accessories, then scan the QR code attached to the wire of the shade. Wait for the pairing process to complete. Select the room or location where the shade will be installed. Customize the name of the shade. Test the shade to ensure it responds correctly. Now you can control your smart shades through the app and with voice commands. Hi Siri, open all shades.